Hey guys, this is Fundom on Wanchupagama. Tonight on Uzalo, Mtambisi digs for information about Nkunzi from Spoon. He buy the expensive bottle on Wanjomane for Spoon, and it seems like Spoon is happy to be with Mtambisi. He enjoy his life with Mtambisi, but Mtambisi is using Sbu for getting information about Konzi and what Konzi life live. While Lily vows to return Mrs. Madlala safe and sound, and it seems like the the police station are happy to hear that Lily he found Madlala, while Madonge is waiting for explanation from Madlala that why he used the money of the business. Pastor Kwala proposed to Nosipo, but Nosipo still hid that she is pregnant monthly child. That's for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Yeah, for thanks.